Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Benchmark mortgage account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser, go to Google and then search for Benchmark Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Benchmark Loan and Administration, and then you can go ahead and log in to your account. It's quite simple guys, but you should wait for a while as it might take some time. You can see on the right hand side, you can see the username. Write down your username, write down your password, click on remember my username. If you want this browser to remember you in the future, click on I agree to user terms and privacy policy. You can even go ahead and click on these links and read this. And after that, click on login. Now, if you don't have an account, go ahead and register yourself. And in case you forgot your username or password, go through these links and then you can recover your username or your password quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Benchmark mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.